Robinhood versus interactive brokers. In this video, I want to review them, tell you pros and cons and features, and at the end tell you which one is the best. Before starting the video, make sure to watch this video till the end because I mentioned the important tips at the end of the video. So most people think the answer is simple. Robinhood is for beginners, IBKR or interactive brokers is for pros. But that's only half of the truth. Here's the real insight. The best platform depends on your goals. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 key areas: the hidden trade-off between simplicity and control, the real cost breakdown including margin and fees, what you can actually trade, the tools and experience, and the long-term value including safety, education, and perks. By the end, you'll know exactly which broker fits you, not just what others say. Robinhood is like the iPhone of investing: clean, intuitive, and easy. IBKR more like a cockpit, overwhelming at first but incredibly powerful. If you're just buying US stocks, ETFs, or crypto occasionally, Robinhood gives you speed with no clutter. But if you ever want advanced orders automation or frozen stocks, IBKR's your tool. So ask yourself, are you a casual explorer or a future pilot? Choose a platform that grows with you, not against you. And speaking of growth, let's talk about money, because free trading isn't always the cheapest. Robinhood markets free trades, but hidden costs can appear, like margin interest or $5 a month gold for perks. IBKR charges small per trade fees, but its margin and execution often save active traders more. If you trade once a month, Robinhood's zero commission model wins. If you trade daily, IBKR low share fee plus lower margin rates could save hundreds yearly. Now say cost isn't your limit. The real question becomes, what can you trade? Robinhood focuses on US stocks, ETFs, options, crypto, futures, and gold. IBKR is a gateway to 150 plus markets, from London to Tokyo, plus bonds, mutual funds, forex, and commodities. If your dream portfolio includes global diversification or income from bonds, IBKR is a must. If you're keeping it simple, Tesla, ETF, and Bitcoin, Robinhood covers that perfectly. But even with all those markets, you need tools to actually use them, and here's where the experience really split. Robinhood's interface is buttery smooth. Tap, swipe, done. Great for confidence and speed. IBKR Trader Workstation is full command center, 100 plus order types, algo tools, and backtesting. So if you're new to this industry, start with Robinhood to build consistency. If you're experienced, use IBKR for precision trees, risk control, and automation. And by the way, this is a bonus tip: IBKR has paper trading to practice before risking real cash. So this is a big deal for IBKR. Now, let's talk about safety. Both are SIPC insured up to 500k. Robinhood adds FDIC up to 2.25 million. IBKR has private access coverage, but the extras matter. Robinhood 3% IRA match, 4.5% cash interest with gold plan, and easy crypto wallet. IBKR global research, return news, and full traders academy for education. If you value guidance and learning, IBKR's academy is unmatched. If you want simplicity with strong cash perks, Robinhood's gold plan is compelling. But keep in mind that platforms aren't just tools, they're teachers. Pick the one that supports your next 5 years, not just your first 5 trades. So which one is the best? Here's the recap. Robinhood is simplicity, zero commissions, great for beginners or US only portfolios. Interactive brokers or IBKRs, powerful, flexibility, and savings for active or global investors. So no one size fits all. It's all about alignment. If you're starting, Robinhood gets you moving. If you're scaling, IBKR gives you the map. So what do you think? Which one is the best? Thanks for watching this video.